I'm working on a BX2200. Customer complained the tractor would not start. You could turn the ignition switch to the start position. You could hear the glow plug timer clicking. The lights would come on the dash, but nothing would happen. And after doing some troubleshooting, I found that this spring right here for the PTO lever was missing. And also found that these nuts for the switch were loose, allowing the switch to rock back and forth. So what was happening without the spring on it, you pull the lever back, it wouldn't stay in place because it didn't have a spring on it. And the switch would move and it would not fully compress the plunger to disengage the electrical system. I found a spring in my parts stash. I put that on there. I tightened up the nuts right here on the switch. And once I did that, the system works great. As you can see, you come out in the morning, the PTO is in this position here, most likely. You pull it back, it compresses the plunger on the switch, and it allows the machine to start. So took care of that, and the machine starts fine. And hopefully this will help someone down the road if they run into the problem. Thanks, bye.